doing? He's just gonna play follow the leader, isn't he?
Yeah. Oh, the road goes this way.
I'm prepping to speed up.
That BMW's undertaking. Yeah, there we go.
Well, they all
Undertaking.
joining in.
Yep.
I'm sitting here patient. Now we've got a break.
Give them a flash. Right, no, that's fine. Another car in there.
It was this car that's the issue.
Yeah, now flashing first.
I'd flashed him already.
Yeah.
I'm not going to undertake because I'm not that sort of person. Still, stop. You can't move over because everyone's undertaking.
Yeah, but you just got to move over.
Speeding up now. I'm going to show you how you're meant to do it.
You're going to one bit.
That's fine, because I'm going the speed limit. They chose to sped up after being flashed and undertaken 100 times. This lane continues, doesn't it?
Yeah. They're just staying in that lane.
I'm making my intention clear that I'm going to be going into this lane.
Yep.
I'm not going to be cutting.
And here's all the bloody queue jumpers.
What's the point though?
They're more important than everyone else, isn't it?
Only because I've managed to wean myself off chocolate. I used to be a right chocolate fiend.
He wants to get back out there, but it's a queue of cars. No, they're undertaking. The blue car. Go on, white man. Go. Yeah.
Right up their arse.
Fucking hell, I know.
Dangerous. Go on, undertake the blue car. Undertake the blue car.
What the white minivan sort of thing has got out of the way of the blue car, but it's not going. The blue car's not going past.
No, because there's another car in front. And that car's trying to undertake people as well. The two idiots trying to undertake.
Yeah, the one was popping away. Pop, 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 pop. There's always one that just goes all the way down there. Just like, easing all the way. Don't cut across there. Like, oh my god. All you can do is make it worse for the people on the fucking road.
No, that's where the cars fit.
No, I'm talking about the people cutting across that.
There's a fire engine. That person went in that fucking lane. What a fucking moron. Unless they're related.
I'm not
The fire engine on fire. They need to say that road's closed off further down.
Can't find it.
Oh,
Looks like it fucking blew up.
Oh, going to the road that's the main road by my mum.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
I feel like it would be quicker just to go on that main road by my mum's.
Are you sure it's that?
Pardon?
You sure it's that way?
Yeah.
Oh, the A5.
I think we're going. Oh.
In 1 mile. At the roundabout, take the second exit onto A505 towards Aylesbury. 505 towards Aylesbury.
We're really close to the zoo.
At the
Yeah,
roundabout,
so if
take the second
you would come
exit
from,
onto
if you were coming from mum's, you would come from that way.
Okay.
That road you would come down.
People behind think they can overtake or something.
Maybe they want to overtake.
It's typical BMW. About coming up, so we'll probably catch up with them. Go on, overtake. Fucking 40 miles an hour, but don't you worry, just overtake. Oh, Audi up there. Oh my god.
What? Did you just flash you?
No, but that one just came from about 4 cars back. Kid hell.
What road is this? Well, I'm so Chris about this road.
A4146, I guess.
That one's coming across.
It's the when you give people a wide road like this, they're going to be fucking idiots. What are you both doing? Why are you fucking slowing down? What are you doing?
They obviously know each other.
Or just having a moment?
Police reported ahead.
Slow down though, that car. We were about to overtake both of them.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
I was very hesitant to go alongside them just in case they just took on that side wanted to swipe from us.
And auto theft. Lonnie Parker and Clyde Barrow, better known as Bonnie and Clyde, are on the run and last seen in London's West End.
It's the killer award-winning
I'm
musical
not going
Clyde, set to hold up Cliff's Pavilion from Tuesday the 21st till Saturday the 25th of May. Book now at cliffspavilion.co.uk.
And it'd be a crime to miss it.
bit of fucking foresight. Oh shit, there's my exit. Fucking go quick right across the fucking lanes. Slam on the brakes. Completely wrong lane.
Don't forget the generation before us learned to go straight over without indicating.
You can go straight over, you've got to indicate off.
Yeah, but they didn't learn that. That wasn't a requirement when they passed the test.
Couldn't wait for me to come over. Hurry up, please, I want to get in that lane. Come on, blue car. Come on, blue car. Come
Slowing down
on.
right next to you. Proper slow down.
Okay, what the hell? You had to get in front and then do that. Oh, she's on the phone.
Oh look, you got so far, Crystal Paris.